In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a pending payment on Wise. If you've just sent a transfer and realize something's off, maybe the amount, the recipient, or the reference, acting quickly can save you time and hassle. The key word here is pending. Wise allows cancellations only while a payment is still pending, before it's fully processed or sent out to the recipient's bank. Once you're in your Wise account, head straight to the left-hand side of the screen and open the section labeled Transactions. This is your activity hub. It lists everything you've sent or scheduled with clear statuses like pending, processing, completed, or canceled. Give the page a second to load fully so you're seeing the most up-to-date status. Next, find and select the specific payment or transfer you want to cancel. If you have a long list, scan by date, amount, or recipient to make sure you're opening the right one. When you click into that transfer's details, double-check that the status still shows as pending. That confirmation matters, because once a transfer has started processing or has been completed, the cancel option won't be available. If the payment is eligible, you'll see a cancel button right there in the transfer details. Click Cancel and follow the on-screen confirmation. Wise will immediately stop the transfer and start the reversal. After that, the money goes back to where it came from, either your Wise balance or the original funding source, like your card or bank. Timing for refunds can vary. Refunds to a Wise balance are usually fast, while card and bank refunds can take a few business days, depending on your provider. Any fees tied to a canceled pending payment are typically reversed as part of the process. And if an exchange rate had been locked but the transfer never went through, that hold is released when you cancel. If you don't see a cancel button, it usually means the payment has already begun processing or has completed. In that case, Wise generally can't stop it midstream. You can still review the transfer details and transactions to understand where it stands and see the expected delivery timeline. If you're unsure why the option isn't available or what to expect next, check the status notes in the transfer view. They often explain exactly what's happening. That's all there is to it. Go to Transactions, select the payment you want to stop, and choose Cancel. Acting promptly is the best way to make sure your cancellation goes through smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident managing your Wise transfers.